Hello everyone, I'm Mukul Bagla, Chartered Accountant and the Chairman of the Direct Tax Committee of the PG Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I would like to present before you the wish list of our chamber from the direct tax perspective in respect of the Unit Budget 2022-23. To start with, there has been a robust increase in the direct tax collections, which have grown to 9.5 lakh crores up to uh, 15 December 2021, which is higher by 61% as compared to financial year 2021 and 40% as compared to financial year 1920. So there's been a large increase in the taxes, and the taxpayer are actually looking forward to some tax cuts in this regard. The government has already reduced the tax rates for corporate tax to in September 2019, and it is further quite unlikely that further tax cuts will be made on the corporate front. However, in respect of medium and small businesses, which are often carried out as LLPs or sole proprietorships, the tax rate is still very high, as high as 30%. And this tax rate of 30% has been there for the last 15 years. There's been no cut whatsoever. And the tax rate is substantially higher than the corporate tax rate, which is 15% and 22%. So therefore, it is requested that the rate of taxation for partnership firms and LLPs should be brought down to 25% to offer a level playing field to medium and small businesses. In addition to above, I would like to add that the income of individuals right now is taxed at the rate of 30% in respect of income above 15 lakhs. And in addition to the above, there is a surcharge ranging from 10% to 37% if the income is beyond 50 lakhs. Of course, the surcharge of 37% is if the income is beyond 5 crores. So in effect, the personal tax rate is 43% for people who have income above 5 crores. Whereas on the other hand, the corporates are being taxed at the rate of 25%, irrespective of the amount of income that they have. Therefore, it is not judicial to tax individuals at a higher rate of 43%. Therefore, we request that the maximum tax rate for all individuals should be reduced to 25% with some nominal surcharge if the income exceeds rupees 1 crore. My next point is on the promotion of new manufacturing units. The Honorable Finance Minister in September 2019 had introduced Section 115 BAB of the Income Tax Act, wherein a concessional rate of tax of 15% was offered for new manufacturing units, which were companies and which start manufacturing by 31st March 2023. So, due to the onset of the COVID pandemic in 2020, the demand of consumer goods and capital goods had fallen substantially, resulting in the fact that the promoters were quite skeptical of setting up new manufacturing units. And so, therefore, now the demand has improved, but it is simply not possible for the entities to set up units now and start manufacturing by 31st March 23. So my humble request is that the industry should be allowed a period of at least 2 more years for starting the new manufacturing unit, and a period up to 31st March 2025 may be allowed to all manufacturing units, and they should still be allowed benefit under Section 115 BAB of the Income Tax Act of 15% tax rate. The next point which I like to make is that we need to have simplification and ease of tax compliance and tax administration. Uh, it is requested that the procedure of filing of returns should be simplified. The procedure for rectification of mistakes in the return of income while processing of the return should be made easier. The procedure of faceless assessment and faceless appeals, which right now is causing a lot of hardship to the taxpayers, needs to be simplified so that there is a ease of compliance in the hands of the taxpayer. Our wish list is much more, but these are the few of the main points which we have raised before the Honorable Finance Ministry to be considered for the purpose of the Union Budget 2022-23, and we hope that our proposals, our requests are taken care of by the government. Thank you.